Hello everybody, today we're going to place our first part of our robot, which is this bumper here, this base right here, and I'm going to show you how to cut files and edit them as well. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we need to do is go to File, New, English Template, Standard IAM, and click Create. And then we're going to go to File, Save As, and I like to save this in my project folder here, and we're going to name it Base and click on Save. Now I need to edit the files that are in my folder, so in order to do that I need to make sure that my file system is not read-only. So find your file system, which is normally in Documents, Inventor, and mine's called Mr. Wake's Projects. So click on that once and then right click on it, go to Properties, and make sure read only is unchecked, and then click Apply, and then apply those changes to all the subfolders as well, and click OK and exit that. Next thing you need to do is place your 2x2x25 hole angle. Go ahead and click on Open, and let me show you where that was again. That was kind of quick. Go to Place and you go to Metal, double click on Metal, click on Angles, and then 2x2x25 is right there. So I'm going to click on this part. Notice that all the iMates, I don't like using the iMates, so I'm going to right click on this part and click on Open. It is also a 2x2x25, and we need a 2x2x20. So in order to edit this part, I am going to get rid of the iMates. So I'll click on the first iMate there, scroll down to the last one, hold down Shift, and click on the last one. And that selects everything for me, and then hit Delete. That might take a second. It might freeze up Autodesk for a second. And then after you do that, you're going to make the surface bodies visible. So click on that, left click on that, and then right click on it and check Visibility to make the surface bodies visible. So I'm going to hit Control S to save that part and click OK. Now I'm going to make my 2x2x20 hole. So in order to do that, I need to go to File, Save As, and I'm going to save it as 2x2x20. Click Save. And I'm going to cut this 25 hole part down to 20 part. So I click on the right angle of the view cube and click on Start 2D Sketch. And I am going to work on this plane, so I'm going to click there, zoom out, click on Rectangle, click up in the upper left hand corner, and then click down in the lower right hand corner so that I cover the entire part. Hit Finish Sketch, go back to my home view so I can see what I'm doing, and then I'm going to click on Extrude. I'm going to extrude in. So I'm cutting the part, and I'm going to cut off 2.5 inches, and that cuts 5 of the holes off there, and I'm going to click OK. Now I'm going to hold down Shift and right click and make sure body priority is checked. You may have select faces and edges checked. Just hold down Shift, right click, body priority, make sure that's checked. Now you see all the extra surface bodies that you do not want to use. Hold down Control and select all those very quickly if you can. Select all those. And then right click on one and uncheck visibility, and that'll make them disappear so you don't have them there anymore. And you're done with that. Control S to save. And then go back to your base. Delete the 2x2x25 hole, and that just deletes it in the assembly, not in your file system. Click on Place, find your 2x2x20, which it should still be in the Angles folder. If it's not, the Angles folder again is in Metal, Angles, 2x2x20, and then click Open. Click on the screen, and now you're ready to start building your bot. I like right-clicking on this and changing this part to grounded so that this part does not move when I start building my bot on top of that. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.